Okay, we're demonstrating fire after it has rained for a couple of days, and I'm hoping that you can see this. So what you want to do is you want to get you a little bed right there made. Get you. I've already collected everything, and all we're going to be using is a ferro rod, and that's it. I got a little piece of fat wood right here. We're going to use this. So I've collected some tinder, and what we're going to do is we're going to get this started. Now, take this, crumble these little elements up. I can feel that in this grass it's a little bit moist. Just a little bit more, so you want to just break everything up in there that you can get broke up. Everything that you can get done. And you're gonna use this right here as your main one. You kind of want to make a little bit of a bird's nest. You want all them elements as much as you can get to break off from that. We'll leave that off to the side, but now this is it's like taking care of a baby. You got to be patient. You got to be real patient when making fire like this. Especially, I mean, we've had rain for 2 days. So, you can tell how damp that is, but look at there. I see there. Now, we're going to take this and we're going to crimp it just around like this right here. Alright? And then we're going to start laying our kindling. See how quick that was? Just let the flame get up to about right here before you start putting your stuff on it. See how that is? It's almost there. It's almost there. Just be patient. Be patient. Be patient. Because your whole thing is you're wanting to sustain a fire for the night, maybe 2 or 3 nights if that. So once you get your base and everything going, you can start collecting additional wood. But if your wood does this, see how it bends? That's wet. If it don't snap, if it snaps, then it'll catch fire. So I really hope this has taught you a lesson. We just used our striker and our ferro rod, and this right here will sustain. Oh yeah, that's good. That's going real good. That's going real good. Real good. That's doing real good. Get down there. I mean, even though you've got fire, even though you've got a little bit of fire and everything, just get down there and blow on it just real slow. There we go. And that is how you get fire going with just a ferro rod. And you got to be patient. You got to be patient when making it. And I really hope that y'all learned something from this. And I'll catch you guys later. See you.